Wondering what Pomodoro technique is? Let us cover it with a short story. Peter and Jane are two employees working in the reporting department of a multinational firm. They were given the task of preparing the monthly report for two big projects which was due the next day. Jane submitted the report at 5 p.m. and left office. Reaching home, she did yoga for an hour, spent time with the family, playing with children, having dinner together and read bedtime stories while putting the kids to sleep. On the other hand, Peter was still working in the office preparing the report till late in the evening. On reaching home, he had his dinner quickly and continued working. His children were disappointed as he was supposed to take them out. Complexity of the report was similar for both the projects. How was Jane able to complete her assignment on time while Peter was still working the next day to complete his assignment? The difference was focus. Peter was distracted the whole day talking to people, checking emails, social media and responding to people who were pinging him on the office communicator. Jane on the other hand focused on completing the report, elimination all distractions from herself. One of the techniques to stay focused is the Pomodoro technique. Let's see what Pomodoro technique is. Pomodoro technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The technique uses a timer to break down work into time blocks, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. Each time block is known as a pomodoro, from the Italian word for tomato, after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that Cirillo used. Let's see how Jane used the Pomodoro technique. This technique consists of three key parts. Part 1, Setup. Jane breaks down to tasks to smaller parts, i.e. she lists the sections of the report to be completed. She eliminates all distractions and then opens the Pomodoro app. Part 2, Jane starts the first Pomodoro session of 25 minutes and focuses 100% on completing one of the sub-tasks from her list. Part 3, timer beeps once the 25 minutes are up. Jane takes a 5-minute break during which she drinks water, quickly checks phone, email for any important message, and once again timer beeps when the 5 minutes are up. She then goes on to the next Pomodoro session. After 4 Pomodoros, she takes a big break of 20 to 30 minutes. With this technique, she was able to complete the report on time. Try it out and let us know your results in comments below.